In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix x.com or Twitter when it's not working. If the site is loading slowly, not opening at all, or giving you random errors, don't worry because there are a few quick fixes you can try right away. We'll go through the easiest solutions first, and by the end of this video, you should have a much better chance of getting X working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores temporary files and login data that can sometimes cause websites like X to stop loading correctly. To do this, open your browser settings and look for the privacy or history section. From there, choose the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cache and cookies, then confirm the action. Once that's done, close your browser completely and reopen it, then try loading x.com again. In many cases, this simple step fixes the problem immediately. If X is still not working, the next thing to try is opening it in a private or incognito window. This is useful because private browsing mode starts with a clean session and does not use the same stored cookies, extensions, or saved site data that your regular browser window might be using. To test this, open a new private window in your browser and visit x.com there. If the website loads properly in private mode, that usually means the issue is related to your regular browser data or one of your extensions. If it still doesn't work, the third thing to check is your VPN. Sometimes X may have trouble loading when a VPN is active, especially if the VPN server is slow, blocked, or causing location-based conflicts. Try turning off your VPN completely and then reload the site. If X starts working after disabling the VPN, then you've found the cause. You can also try switching to a different VPN server or location if you want to keep using one. If you've tried all three steps and x.com is still not working, it may be worth restarting your browser or even your device and checking your internet connection as well. But in most cases, clearing cache and cookies, trying a private window, and disabling your VPN will solve the problem. I hope this helped you fix X or Twitter not working. If it did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.